Real estate versus crypto, which one's better? I love this conversation. Let's dive in. All right, and don't forget to hit like, subscribe, send me a DM, and let's leave it in the comments. Like, what do you think is better, real estate versus cryptocurrency? Hey guys, I'm making a massive push on Instagram. I want to get to 100,000 followers organically by the end of the year. And the only way I'm going to do that is by you guys sharing my content. So please go give me a follow on Instagram and share whatever videos on there that you see are valuable to you. Share it to your story. Thank you so much. Okay. So I got started in real estate. We put a little bit of money into crypto and everybody's like, oh, crypto's better. Real estate sucks. Oh no, crypto's too volatile. Nobody knows what the fuck they're doing. It's the wild, wild west. I truly believe both statements are right. But here are my thoughts on how I view cryptocurrency versus real estate. Me personally, I view cryptocurrency because I'm not super educated, and there are some people who are very, very educated. I view cryptocurrency as more of a gamble and a longer term play that can give me really, really high returns, because that truly is what it is, you know. Because if you think about it, when we are getting into crypto, we're getting into crypto because we see these fucking 1000x returns. No other financial instrument ever has been able to do that for you. Like 1000x return in a day. Like that's pretty insane. Like the guy who bought Shiba, I think he put in 3,000 and it put him at 1.3 billion in 12 months. Like there's not really anything else you can do. No other financial instrument can do that. Yes, you can get an infinite return with your money with real estate because you could raise money, buy the asset, you're in it for no money down, then you get a yield. That's cool, but crypto is gambling. And I still think you should invest in crypto because I think cryptocurrency is the future and you should educate yourself to the max because you never know what's going to happen. And when I'm recording this right now, it is a current crypto bloodbath. Bitcoin is at $30,000. Terra and Luna are fucking falling out of the sky. They're supposed to be tethered to the US dollar and something happened and they're not. Everybody's calling it a fraud and whatever. I think Cardano's at 60 cents or 30 cents and Ethereum's like 2,500. But when you're comparing crypto and then you're comparing it against real estate, what I like about real estate is an asset that I can hold. It's a physical asset. And then I'm more comfortable with it because I know there's always going to be somewhere for someone to live or to place their shit. So with our storage facilities that we're looking at, it's been a tried and true model for 100 years. With real estate, if I buy apartments and I buy houses, people always need apartments and houses and they're always going to need somewhere to go. Super simple, super easy. I can predictably drive value in that asset to where in all reality, when it comes to like the stock market and crypto, there's not much I can do to drive value in that asset besides wait and time it and do those other things. Like there's nothing I can do. There's absolutely zero I can do to drive crypto assets up myself besides talking about them, right? Like if you're Elon Musk, you can fucking shoot Shiba or what is it, Doge to the moon, which is fine, right? I mean, Elon Musk, I made a lot of people millionaires, if not billionaires, by talking shit about the Doge and saying it's going to be accepted everywhere. Same with Mark Cuban. Big thing with real estate is I can control the asset. The hard thing with crypto, it's really volatile because it's a very, very early, like I truly think like this is a infant. Like it's a true infant as far as if you looked at it in its adult life, it is very, very immature asset class. And so there's a ton of room for it to grow. So if you think about the baby, so if we think about how much money is in cryptocurrency right now and it's a baby, and then let's say it takes 22 years to fully form, and the size of a human that when they go from a baby all the way to a full-fledged adult, and let's say to add on top of that they went to like a college football program and really like beefed up, that is a ton of room to make god awful fuck tons of money raining from the sky. That's why I like crypto, because there's a lot more opportunity. But real estate, again, it's stable. I know what I'm doing, I'm comfortable with it, and it's easy to predict. And it takes a lot longer for the real estate market to fucking fall out than it does with crypto. Like, I mean, crypto happened in like a couple days, if not a day, to where it just kept dropping and dropping and dropping and dropping, which is fine. So when everyone's like, oh, cryptocurrency is better, real estate's better, I truly think cryptocurrency has a significantly larger upside, and I think that real estate is amazing, and you should be doing both. I think you should be a real estate investor. You're putting some of your money into the deals, you're raising your money to get into those deals, you take an infinite yield from that, you take your excess cash and you throw it into crypto, you take your cryptocurrency And with your cryptocurrency, to offset your gains in crypto, you buy more real estate and appreciate those assets. That is what you should be doing. That is what I will be doing. And that is what we are on the path to doing. Hope this helps. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you guys have any questions, and if you have comments, man, leave it below. What do you think? What's better, cryptocurrency or real estate? What's going on, winning family? If this podcast is bringing you any value, I know the rest of the content that we put out is going to drive tons of value to you. So go do me a favor and go subscribe on YouTube to our channel, to where we release some things that aren't coming out on our podcast. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Thank you guys so much.